Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're going to be telling you about a new announcement we have regarding voice and vision. This is AccuSpeechMobile presenting with Bob Bova, the president and CEO. Welcome, Bob.
Thanks. It's great to be here.
So tell us about the new voice and vision announcement. What is it?
Well, today we'll be announcing our integration with wearables from Zebra and talking about how integrating voice and vision together in the warehouse is a very powerful solution.
So what exactly are you announcing then today?
We're announcing the validation of the HD4000 with our AccuSpeech technology and how it can be utilized to integrate for a complete solution, voice-driven vision solution in the warehouse. So we're very excited about that. We were validated by the Zebra Labs, and it's available now. So it's just exciting.
And we are excited about this. And I guess if people don't understand what this means to be multimodal workflows, can you talk a little bit more about what that means?
Certainly. The ability to use multimodal inputs means you can use voice, vision, barcode scanning, any technology that you can to collect data inside or outside the warehouse, and you can use them together so that it becomes a very powerful capability for streamlining workflows, for productivity increases, and for accuracy. So when you look at, again, being able to see text and images of what someone is supposed to be picking or doing, you can utilize voice for automation, skipping screens, use your barcode scanner. This all automates the process, so you're doing more and more work behind the scenes so that your employee is actually going faster and doing better. It's a very, very exciting time, actually.
Well, that sounds quite interesting. Tell us about the technology involved.
All right, for this particular solution, our voice technology has been integrated with the HD4000. Any capability that wearable has can be voice enabled by our standard software developers kit and our standard one-time license. The capability that we've added to that is it has functionality to show all different types of images that could be stored on a web server or could be provided by the WMS system. We can take full advantage of the capability and the feature richness of those glasses. Those glasses are in fact supported by Zebra devices, as you can see, the TC5s and 7s and also the 6000, and a headset. So the headset's a Bluetooth connectivity headset. People tend to utilize this with a finger scanner as well. So you have a real complete solution to automate any workflow inside or even outside the warehouse utilizing these technologies.
And this is running on Android, correct?
That is correct. Everything all the new development is on the Android platform. We see this platform as the bedrock for the next 10 years of, again, feature richness of hardware capability, and also the open source functionality of Android is going to lend itself to lots of application development and improvement.
And Bob, you're looking to work with the partners who are offering these devices to our customers, correct?
Absolutely correct. The partners are the ones that can go in and add significant value to their customers who are looking for ways to evolve from a Microsoft environment to an Android environment, and they need assistance. And this type of a solution combined with porting over applications, regardless if they're TE or thick client or whatever, from Windows to Android, customers are going to need assistance from resellers, and being able to talk about that migration and also be intelligent about all the new technology and features that are going to be available. It's a wonderful opportunity for our channel partners and also for all of Zebra's channel partners too.
So what are the benefits for the customer using a multimodal solution like this for their workflows?
Well, in the past, voice has always provided, the standard productivity and accuracy types of benefits to customers. And the addition of the wearable technology, especially the 4000, allows for faster training. It allows for management overrides. I mean, here you can now see and hear and speak, and you have everything available, whether the person is an auditory learner or a visual learner. It really kind of encompasses every aspect of how you can do your job better and faster and safer, especially these days. Even with a mask on, the new Zebra headsets work very, very well. We really don't have any type of problem with them. And the nice thing about this is one of the biggest challenges customers have right now is worker turnover. This type of an environment with all three of these technologies consistently accelerates training of seasonal and new workers with turnover so that they're up to rate in days instead of weeks. And that's a big, big benefit.
Yeah, that sounds compelling. So how does voice integration with the HD4000 work in terms of the AccuSpeechMobile integration?
Well, the validation basically allowed us to show the Zebra lab that our standard technology works with these glasses. So as we voice automate any application in the warehouse, we can utilize the glasses any way that the customer wishes. So if they want to see images of what they're picking, if they want to see what bin they're supposed to be at, a location, all that information now is available for us to utilize when we voice automate the application and push it out to the glasses. And again, our standard one-time license manages everything on the device. It's right out of the box, ready to go, and we can use it in the most efficient way that the customer and the reseller thinks would be best for the particular environment that we're installing it.
So if someone's already experienced with using AccuSpeech Studio, how difficult is it to work with the HD4000 integration and add textual or visual images?
No, it's not difficult at all. In fact, if they really have the expertise on the SDK, it would take probably about 45 minutes for them to understand the additional calls that we require to utilize the complete capability and functionality of the glasses. It doesn't take much time at all.
Amazing. So tell us about the applications that are ideal for voice and vision in terms of automating processes.
We voice enabled everything and anything in terms of an application in the warehouse to this point. We have companies that have all different types of applications, clearly picking, but cross-docking and shipping, anything that the customer wants to add automation to, we've done that. And this just adds another capability to that. But other exciting opportunities for our resellers is they're looking at mobile inspections, they're looking at field services, MRO. Since all this technology runs off of the device and there's no problem with battery life and usage, now they can go outside the four walls and utilize this complete solution to automate all different types of outside the four walls applications that safety glasses are specifically known for. So this really adds some additional capability and more markets, or even extended capabilities inside existing customers for our resellers. So we're excited about that.
So any processes where the people who are working in that particular area need to have their hands free, their eyes free, and receive possibly multiple ways of getting information are ideal for voice automated with vision workflows?
Absolutely. And as these glasses evolve, be able to call a friend, see a video, all that functionality will be added. So it will become more and more sophisticated for applications if you're collecting data, fixing things, condition, method, all of that will be able to be utilized with this solution.
Great. So let's hear a little bit more about the Zebra HD4000. What's so unique about them?
I am so excited about this product because it has solved so many problems of the initial, the 2-3 years ago type of a solution. These are extremely light, very rugged, even though they're light. It requires no batteries, and that was one of the biggest. They're not heavy. They don't get hot. It's a very light safety glass with the camera on top of it. The that image projector can be on, it can be used on either eye. It mounts to off-the-shelf safety glasses as well. There's no real significant staging required. You just plug it into the Zebra device, and again, off the shelf, ready to go. And it's got a lot of benefits in terms of its ruggedability, and the sky's the limit in terms of what this is going to be able to support, in the future. So this is really a terrific platform for usability in the warehouse, no question.
Yeah, that's wonderful because it's
Yeah.
not only light, but it's also a much longer battery life because it's using the device-based battery.
And the images are terrific. I mean, once you put it on and you see the clarity and the ease of usability, it kind of blows you away. It's pretty terrific.
That's really cool. Okay, tell us about the ROI. That's going to be a big question for people.
I think that the return on investment for this particular technology is very interesting. The use cases are still evolving. Each particular customer has their own use case. What we have what I would consider a relatively sophisticated ROI tool that can take into consideration what type of automation we can bring to the workflow process, what the costs of all the individual hardware pieces are, and can put together a real strong ROI for this type of evolution, in what our customers are trying to accomplish. The biggest benefit, of course, is after it takes about 60 to 90 days to install an application solution in the warehouse with this combination of technologies. But within 4 or 5 months, there's a significant increase in accuracy and productivity. And we really work hard to get a full ROI in less than 12 months. And it happens almost every time. And once we start to understand exactly what the customer wants to do, the ROI, the conversation becomes even stronger. The more we learn, the more we know we can accomplish, and the better it gets.
So what if a customer has already deployed voice with AccuSpeechMobile and is thinking about adding the glasses to the workflow?
That's a great question. So if they have deployed on an Android platform and they use one of the 3 devices that currently support the 4000 heads-up display, I mean, currently it's just 3, and there will be more in the future, then it's just really a matter of going in and making slight changes to the voice automation grammars in our standard toolkit, and just updating those changes and pushing it out to the mobile devices, and they will be fully functional and turned on and ready to go.
Excellent. So, Bob, tell us about how to see a demo.
Right. If you would like to see the demonstration of this, we have what I consider a terrific demonstration for capability. Go to info@accuspeechmobile.com, send me an email. You can go on the website and request a demonstration as well. Or you can give us a call, 949-435-1001, and we'd be happy to talk to you about putting together a presentation of exactly what this capability looks like, and also for our resellers, what the best benefits are to sell it.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Bob.
It has been my pleasure.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day or great evening.